This message is for Paul Oakenfold. How are you? It's Anita Baymock, Hunter Thompson's assistant. I'm going through the messages and just getting back with you to let you know that Hunter did get the CDs. I've listened to them and I'm excited, and Hunter has listened to them. And he's interested. So we'll give you a call back in a couple days. Yeah, so great stuff. We'll talk soon. Thanks. Bye.
Read this. Nixon's spirit will be with us for the rest of our lives. Whether you're me, or Bill Clinton, or you, or Kurt Cobain, or Bishop Tutu, or Keith Richards, or Amy Fisher, or Boris Yeltsin's daughter, or your fiance's 16-year-old beer-drunk brother with his braided goatee and his whole life like a thundercloud out in front of him. This is not a generational thing. You don't even have to know who Richard Nixon was to be a victim of this ugly Nazi spirit. Poisoned our water forever. Nixon will be remembered as a classic case of a smart man shitting in his own nest. But he also shit in our nest. And that was the crime that history will burn on his memory like a brand. By disgracing and degrading the presidency of the United States, by fleeing the White House like a diseased cur, Richard Nixon broke the heart of the American